Animals starting with the letter M.
Monkey, Macaw, Meerkat, Manatee, Marmot, Magpie, Moose, Moth, Mountain goat, Millipede, Mantise, Musk Oxen, Manta Ray, Mongoose, Mice, Muskrat, Moorhen, Margay, Mantis Shrimp, Moray Eel. Let's review. Monkey. Monkeys are smart and playful animals that love to swing through the trees and eat bananas. Macaw. Macaws are brightly colored parrots that can talk and fly through the rainforests. Meerkat. Meerkats are small, curious mammals that live in groups and stand on their hind legs to watch out for danger. Manatee. Manatees are gentle, slow-moving creatures that swim in the warm waters and are sometimes called sea cows. Marmot. Marmots are chubby, ground-dwelling rodents that live in burrows and whistle to communicate. Magpie. Magpies are black and white birds known for their love of shiny things and clever behavior. Moose. Moose are huge, long-legged animals with large antlers and live in the forests of North America. Moth. Moths are night-flying insects with dusty wings that are drawn to lights. Mountain goat. Mountain goats are excellent climbers, living in high mountains with big, curved horns. Millipede. Millipedes are tiny creatures with lots of legs that crawl around in leafy forests. Mantis. Praying mantises are insects with folded front legs that look like they're praying. Musk ox. Musk oxen are shaggy, strong creatures that live in the Arctic and protect themselves by forming a circle. Manta Ray. Manta rays are large, graceful creatures that glide through the ocean and are related to sharks. Mongoose. Mongooses are small, fearless mammals known for their ability to fight venomous snakes. Mice. Mice are tiny rodents that squeak and love to nibble on cheese and explore hidden places. Muskrat. Muskrats are furry creatures that live near water and build dome-shaped houses called lodges. Moorhen. Moorhens are water birds with bright red beaks that paddle in ponds and lakes. Margay. Margays are small wild cats from Central and South America known for their tree-climbing skills. Mantis Shrimp. Mantis shrimp are marine creatures with powerful claws that can break shells and punch with great speed. Moray Eel. Moray eels are snake-like creatures found in the ocean, with sharp teeth and a hidden lifestyle in crevices.
A free cupcake for anyone that watches another video. Please subscribe and press that like button.